has tweeted in support of Sanjay Jha, and after Sanjay Jha, now Khushbu also voices similar opinions and she backs Sanjay Jha through this particular tweet. Let's go across to Prashant, my colleague who's joining us with more details. Prashant, Sanjay Jha actually, has suggested that it's time for the Congress party to face reality, and he is getting support from within the party. Khushbu also backs Sanjay Jha's thoughts.
Well, Swati, we need to look at it from a perspective that more and more voices now are openly coming out against Rahul Gandhi. Now, this is not the first time that we have seen leaders coming out, but when Sanjay Jha came out and talked about the realities to Congress party and said that perhaps people should actually understand what the reality is, and if this is the way the Congress will continue to work in the days to come, perhaps there will be no opposition. There will be no contest between the BJP and the Congress even in 2024. So clearly, he was sacked after that. But now what we are seeing is that more leaders, including Khushbu Sundarna, who just last week had addressed the Congress press conference, no less, she has now come out and said that perhaps she agrees with Sanjay Jha and things should be taken into context and things should be looked into by the Congress party. But the fact is, we will have to see how the Congress party reacts to it, because when Sanjay Jha spoke out, he was sacked as a spokesperson. He was dropped from also the media panelists. Now we'll have to see what happens with Khushbu Sundar.
Yes, but the issue of leadership has still not been addressed in the party, isn't it, Prashant? After the Lok Sabha debacle, similar questions were raised. We know Rahul Gandhi stepped down, but then people were demanding for a change in the structure, the organizational structure of the Congress party.
Well, Swati, if you go by what our sources are saying, the Congress party is going to have a massive organizational change in months to come. That is for certain. But the fact is that these sort of statements from leaders within come only when there is a very weak leadership at the top. You take an example of Scindia, you take an example of how Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot have been fighting. This is happening only because the leaders feel that there's no strong leadership to back them up, and they all start doing their own, they all start doing their politics the way they wish to. So clearly, the Congress party at a time when they are...
All right, Prashant, stay on with us. We are now joined by Sanjay Jha himself. Let's go across to him. Sanjay Jha, thank you for speaking to us. Well, we were just playing our Khushbu Sundar's tweet. You are finding more support from within the party. Khushbu Sundar says, Sanjay Jha speaks his mind without fear. How do you respond?
Well, I would say I'm very grateful that she's said that, because a lot of people have, over the last couple of weeks, misunderstood where I was coming from. I mean, my intent, let me tell you, and I'm saying so to all your viewers of Times Now, is to see a strong party. I am a Congressee by my DNA. It's on my Twitter bio. I'm not joining any other political party. I'm not joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. I care for my party, which is why I've been speaking up. And I do believe that, we need to start getting our act together, kind of getting focused and preparing for many battles ahead. Standing up for the people of India across the length and breadth of this country. So, anybody within the party who has got very upset with the fact that I wrote a few articles or in the interviews I have called a spade, why shouldn't I? I mean, shouldn't there be a great internal democracy where you're willing to listen to all kinds of views? And some of those views may not be the views that you want to hear. They may be hard, they may be little hard to swallow, because truth is always a bitter pill to swallow. And I'm so glad that Khushbu said the same thing, because, we come from a very clean heart. We come from a good place. We want to see the Congress bounce back as soon as possible. So I'm very happy to see that. I'm hoping that more people within the Congress party will recognize that with every day's delay, when we do not completely re-engineer ourselves, we just make it very easy for our principal opponents, which is
in fact, Sanjay Jha, people before you, senior leaders in the party have also demanded an organizational change. They've demanded that, new faces need to be given more responsibilities and be promoted from the party. But who do you think is blocking these voices from, within the party?
Well, I really don't think it's any individual per se, but, this is the point, that the Congress party has become extremely laid back.
Okay.
I do understand that we responded well in certain situations during the pandemic. But, you're a political organization. You have to be hungry. You have to be relentless in the pursuit of strengthening your base.
All right.
So that the people at the end of the day are on your side. And I think this is a work in progress, and I'm very happy
All
that,
right.
at least we are out there speaking out of mind.
All
That's
right, Mr. Jha, thank you very much for speaking to us. Thank you for joining us with your thoughts. Moving on.